Hi guys, ito ang format ng income statement guys. Dapat mayroon ka ng cash receipt, grand totals, at mayroon ka na rin cash disbursement, grand totals for 6 months for example. Tapos may beginning stock inventory ka na rin at ending stock inventory. Ang cash sales mo guys, good for 6 months ay itala mo dito. Galing sa cash receipt journal. Tapos yung beginning inventory mo plus purchases, ang total niyan, i-less mo sa ending inventory, lalabas na ang total cost of goods sold. Tapos ang cash sales, i-less mo sa total of cost goods sold, magkakaroon ka na ng gross profit. Less total operating expenses, lalabas na ang net profit mo. Pa-subscribe naman guys, follow me.